Langi, Joseph Murumbi. May we remember not to forget Karemi Nduthu. Remember Karaoke Gedito. Remember Kerita Ole Kisio. Koitalel Arap Samoei. Remember Lemayan Ole Taiko. Lucas Pikeche. Makan Singh. Marilal Desai. Masinde Muliro. Let us remember not to forget Mudhoni Kerema. May we remember not to forget Nazmi Durani. Let us remember Nyambura Wangoge. Remember Odhiambo Mbai, Odhiambo Olel, Odindo Opiata. Remember Osumba Lango. Let us remember Padi Onyango Sumba. May we remember Fariz Wahu. Let us remember not to forget Wahome Whispers Mutahi. Let us remember not to forget Wenje Wamwadori, Wangondu Karaoke, Wangari Maathai, Mama Yetu. May we remember Wanjiru Matenjwa. Remember not to forget Wanjiru Kehoro and Wako Wapi. Remember Wesonga Sijeo. Remember Willie Kimani, Yakub Din, Zarina Patel. Let us remember not to forget. May we remember the Gen Zs fallen down in the streets of Nairobi. May we remember not to forget. Remember Rex Masai. Remember fallen Gen Zs like Brian Lemayan Kasaine, Austin Makoha, Mike Kehoga, Chris Gitonga, Kennedy Onyango, 12 years old. Remember Matthew Njoroge, Kevin Moasi, Beasley Koge. Remember not to forget David Shege, Erickson Chalo Mutisia, Ibrahim Kamawanjiro. Remember not to forget Mbithi alias Scott. Remember not to forget Emmanuel Giggs Tata. Remember Clinton Mwavali. Remember Kennedy Odhiambo Maina. Remember Wilson Sitati. Gen Z Kennedy Njero. Gen Z Valentine Njeri. Gen Z Eric Kanyoni Chieni. Remember not to forget the Gen Z's Eric Kiratu, Caroline Shiramba. Let us remember. May we remember to remember. Let us remember not to forget. PLP! Unite, liberate! Ni shujaa sisi sote we. Ni shujaa ilijama sinde. Ni shujaa kondele we. Ni shujaa hata sugoi. Ndiyo maana. Viva Africa, viva! Viva PLP, viva! Unite, liberate! PLP! Layo.
Jamani, hata kwa makofi hatuwezi kuwa wachoyo wenzangu. Tumekataa. Hayo tumekataa jamani.